Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. I'm also doing well by the grace and Almighty. Today in this video I'm going to talk about an IELTS cue card. So আজকের এই ভিডিওতে আমি একটি IELTS cue card এক্সপ্লেন করার চেষ্টা করব। আমি আমার মতো করে এক্সপ্লেন করব। তো আপনারা স্ক্রিনে cue card কোশ্চেনটা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। So this cue card I'm going to discuss in my speech. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic or video. Well, in my entire life, I have visited a lot of places like Zaflong, Rangamari, Cox's Bazar, and so on. Among these beautiful places, here I'm gonna talk about a place which is located in the southern part of Bangladesh. Most probably within 2 months, I'd like to visit Cox's Bazar. In addition, I can go by train, which will take around 6 to 7 hours to reach our destination. I prefer train journey because in this way I can enjoy the beauty of the nature while passing through different areas, and the price of the ticket is really affordable for everyone. Moreover, my bosom friends and I have decided to travel Cox's Bazar and will stay there for about a week to release our leisure time. Most importantly, there are a great number of reasons why I'd like to travel Cox's Bazar. First of all, Cox's Bazar is the largest sea beach in the world, apparently 120-kilometer long sea beach, which is why I want to spend spare times with my beloved friends roaming around the beach. Another important point is that the place is full of natural beauty. In particular, the view of the river is really eye-catching and spectacular. What is more, the area is surrounded by excellent environment with mountains, hills, marine dive, and many more. Last but not the least, the place offers many kind of traditional food with cheap price such as seafish, dry fish, and so on. So that is the place where I'd like to travel down the road in order to spend my quality time roaming around the place and enjoy myself. In conclusion, traveling is really convenient for ourselves because by traveling we can uh, come across traditional foods or new things that we have never seen before. So that's all for the time being. If I made an intentional mistake, please pardon me.